Hello viewers, today I talk about geometric design of highway. Now start the government of Bangladesh, government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, Ministry of Communication, Roads and Highway Division. This is the manual of detailed geometric design of highway. Now go through this manual, geometric design standard for road and highway department. This version is also draft version. Content contains introduction. This contains purpose of this manual, road materials and standards study, design approach, then acknowledgement, and now design standard, design types and standard, road classification, traffic, volume and composition. This is the important parameters of design of geometric design of road, traffic capacity, design speed, side distance. The design procedure, general concept, basic parameters, select design types and design speed, determine trial alignment, check the trial alignment against design speed standard, do a detailed consistency check, amend the alignment, safety environment, land and resettlement, check the economic assessment. Cross section carries some contents, carriageway and soldiers, design type cross section, provision for NMPS and pedestrian, bus, buys and stopping place, traffic lining through town and village, lateral vertical clearance, cross poles, horizontal alignment and vertical alignment, appearance junction, designing safer roads. Now we start about introduction, purpose of this manual, various purpose of this manual, road materials and standard study 1994. Basically, studies start from 1994 and design approach, design standard, design types and standard, design types or standard should be follows in Bangladesh local classifications, public volume compositions. Now road cross section standard, design type 1, 2, 3, 6 types, design type and design year, traffic volume, peak hour, design year, traffic volume, peak hour, typical MVADT, cross section, crest width, crest number of lanes, paved shoulders, inclined road, classification, national region and feeder. And typical design speed, these are the speeds of typically design and hilly areas. Normally speed is slower than plain or rolling areas, and speed related design parameter, these are the SSD, stopping side distance, ISD intermediate side distance, OSD overtaking side distance, so 2 lanes for 2 lanes, for single 1 lanes, minimum curvature value, these are the curvature value. And passenger car unit PCU value, passenger car unit dark PCU value, bus and different types of vehicle PCU value is given. Generalized traffic flow characteristics, these are the generalized traffic flow characteristics and traffic capacity. Traffic capacity means PCU value divided by peak hour, and design speed, side distance, 3 types of side distance will be discussed in here. Design process, a total design process, general basic parameters, select design types as speed, determine trial alignment, and design process. What's the process of design? And first of all, define basic parameters, traffic flow, terrain type, these are the flow diagram, and now then select design types and then go through, determine trial alignment, and do all elements fall within design speed standards. EPS, go through this portion. Are design elements acceptably consistent with approach speed elements? EPS, complete design. Yes, does the project have an acceptable economic return? Yes, satisfy design asset. And go through this value. If no, then go through, do all elements fall within this step, and this step, no, go through this value. Are the economic consequence of underground EPS? Go through this value, consider further relaxation standard. If no, go through this value. Terminal trial alignment, and then EPS go through this, no, go through this one, and finally yes, if EPS in this position is does the project have an acceptable economic return? If no, review the projects and check the alignment. Trial alignment against design speed standard, do detail consistency, state event and the alignment. Safety is the major issue of the design, geometric design of road or any other types of design. Safety and improvement is related in the design, but not the design is parameter directly. And check of economic assessments, cross section, carriageway and shoulders. These are the cross sections. Design types, cross section. Provision of NMVS and pedestrians, NMVM lane capacity. This is the lane capacity PCU per hour. Bus bys and stopping place, traffic coming through town and villages, lateral and vertical clearance, crosswalk, drains, or types of drains should be prepared. Maximum slope of 5 horizontal to 1 vertical. This is the drains requirement. And embankments, the standard side slope for embankment, 2 horizontal and 1 vertical. And design level, cross section and bridge and culvert, cross section of bridge and culverts. These are the cross section of bridge and culverts, pedestrians, footway or NVM lane, RCC barrier, carriageway. And these are the typical alignment, typical diagram of the design of roads. And design type 3 lane, 11-meter carriageway. These are the 11-meter carriageway, and 11-meter means 3 lanes carriageway. And these are the shoulder driver. Design type 2 lane, 7.3-meter carriageway. Design type 7.3-meter carriageway. Design type 3, another type, consideration both sides of reasons. 6.2-meter carriageway, 2 lane. Various types of carriageway. 5.5-meter carriageway, both sides of shoulder and parts. And single lane carriageway, shoulder, both sides of shoulder presents. Two-way traffic system, typical NPM arrangement. And Bajar and Hajj, these are the typical arrangements of NPM lane, bus, truck, loading, unloading to Bajar areas. NVM lane design, this is the NVM lane design, surface material, base materials, materials are present near ground, occurrence, low pedestrians and floors. A median design. This design approach shows median design. Median design and outline driver, RCC barrier. These are the RCC barrier. And island driving, RCC PCC, and these are the brickwork, these are the soil, RCC circle barrier. And horizontal design, horizontal alignment, determining the curve parameter, intermediate side distance, minimum curve radius. Design speed consists of radius for different types of road. Minimum super elevation requirement, this is the most important parameter of super elevation. Minimum distance transition length, extra carriageway width on curve, and all crowd example, super elevations, already knows, transition curves, development of super elevation and transition curves. These are the circular curve and transition curves are the crossings of crosswalk level, maximum super elevations. Separation, which is the curve type route in the alignment. Curve widening, other consideration, vertical alignment. Types of curve, various types of curve. This alignment is vertical. One gradient is positive, another is negative, determining the curve parameters and minimum vertical curve K values. Design speed reflects the various types of curves of various types of system and vertical curve appearance criteria. Gradients, maximum gradients, all design type maximum gradients, usually allow 1 to 7% is large gradients. And now the appearance rule, different types of appearance, coordinate of horizontal and vertical alignment. This is the profile in the hilly area and plain area, roads, construction and junctions, design principle, priority of the junction, P junction, Y junction, YT junctions, a lot of junctions should be present. So these are the T junction, these are the also T junction and circular junctions, round about with staggered paths and designing safer roads, safety principle, design of all road users, great formula. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video.